Hi, I'm David Pridmore with DataSquirt, and just to tell you a little bit about DataSquirt, we provide a software solution that allows you to communicate with your customers via other electronic methods such as SMS text messaging, email, fax, and other electronic media. And the advantages that gives you is, or the advantages are that you have one more level of contact with your customers. They can send in questions via text messaging. You can communicate back to them via text messaging. It's very immediate, it's very intimate, and it helps to build better long-term customer relationships, or even break into demographics you may not be reaching at this point, like the younger market, the 30, 35 and younger group that is very familiar with text messaging. So it just allows you another level of being able to communicate with your clients and to get information back and forth with them. So you can build stronger relationships, build closer customer contact and customer intimacy. So for more information, visit us at www.datasquirt.com. That's www.datasquirt.com. Thank you.